All right, so in a short while, we'll be having a session with Mr. Binoy Sahi, Food Marketing Technology, our media partner. So I'll be back in a very short while. In the meanwhile, please go interact with each other, go to the launch area.
Swati, are you able to connect with Mr. Binoy?
No, I'm not able to connect with Mr. Binoy.
So in the meantime, we can ask the audience if someone wants to come on stage and give introduction.
Yes, if
Till the time
anybody
Mr.
wants
Binoy
to,
comes,
yes. So
let's
if
make it
any,
more interactive.
yes, so if anybody from the audience wants to come up, they can raise their hands. If anybody wants to come live and talk about anything about food industry, wants to share their perspective about the current scenario, they are please feel free to come up. People are
Yeah, there is
sending
one.
likes. Do we have somebody?
Yeah, we have Miss Bhumika Shah.
Can
I
we
have
please?
invited her.
Okay,
Let's
let's.
see if she comes.
Hello, good afternoon.
Oh, hi, sir. So we
Hi.
have Mr. Mahendra Mehta, Vice President, Food and Nutraceutical Division.
Yeah.
Which company, sir?
Canberra is the company name.
Okay,
We are
okay.
in food ingredient business.
So you can introduce yourself to the audience.
Yeah, I want to just focus on the things that with post-COVID requirement of health ingredient and nutraceutical ingredient demand has been generated or it is being pushed by the consumer. The food industry has to gear up for development of this type of ingredient to come out with some health benefit to increase the immunity of the person so that in future he rest assured that what he is eating is healthy. Whatever the format, whether he eat at restaurant or he eat at home, some innovation has to be done for development of health ingredient, health products maybe. Or some recipe has to be developed which are traditional, tasty as well as healthy.
Of course, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, where are you from?
I'm from Bombay. Come on.
All right, great.
So
And
we had been coordinating with the industry for development of new such ingredient and modification of our traditional recipes so that the some food in products which are really logically which we neglected under the scenario of fast food or maybe our other unhealthy foods has to be modified so that we can go towards basic nutritional value, keeping our traditional knowledge, and still it has to be convenient because now we cannot expect everybody to eat all the 3 meals at home. So he
yes,
has to go out and eat sometime because it's logic. We all work, everybody go travel around, and then
hmm,
it's not possible that for lunch he come back home or dinner he will have at home.
true. Sir, would you like to tell us something more about the about your company, where it is based? How?
Actually, we are based in Bombay.
All
We
right.
are in the sales and marketing. We are based in Bombay. It is Canberra Food and Nutraceutical Ingredients. We
Okay.
are based in Bombay. And our product range is like we supply raw material which are used by processed food industry, right from bakery, confectionery, yogurt, dairy product, flavored milk, ice cream.
All right.
Oh, okay, there are ingredients available which are healthy, but because of the industrial practice or economy of operation, we are doing trading of lot of what you call synthetic ingredient. And the trends and total wipeout of the synthetic food chemical or food additive is a long-term goal because we use lot of products which can be made healthy. The ingredient, like for yellow color we use dye, but then haldi can also be used as a yellow color. So there are options available, and there are a lot of work because haldi has to be stabilized or made available to the industry in the format they want it. So it's a simple example. Yellow, we use yellow color, which is a chemical dye in ice cream. It's right from, it's there in everything. It's there in Kesar Pista ice cream, which people think Kesar Pista is a healthy thing, but then it's colored with yellow color. So there are a lot of examples like that where we can use our traditional ingredient to replace the chemical synthetic ingredient.
We have one more person with us. Mahendra, would you like to introduce them?
Yeah, Mr. Dhaval Patel. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm
How has
good.
it been going for you?
It's been going great. It's a great platform where we are not allowed to go out, then we find our own place in a digital world.
Digital is the new stage.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So from which company you are, sir?
Thank you. I'm from Cameo.
Okay, you are one of the exhibitors.
Yes.
Okay.
I had a question earlier, but due to some technical problem, I could not get back to you. But when we were talking about organic farming, Mr. Harpal sir has given a fantastic, outlook on organic farming.
Yeah.
The new farming techniques that has come up is hydroponic farming.
Yeah.
We have been listening to it on our digital platforms, and so I wanted to ask a question on that. Can the hydroponic farming be a new or a future of organic farming? It requires a less.
It is a future of organic farming. And for your information, we are doing a separate conference, I think on 15 days, once in 15 days for this hydroponics.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can share the details with you. I think we are doing it on 15th of August, something like that.
Yes.
I can share details with you. So you can connect. We are having the training courses also on hydroponics by senior trainers in this industry.
Okay.
We have done around 23 sessions already on this.
Okay.
Hydroponics, yes.
All right. Because it has a great future, and I have heard about the hydroponic farms and the products, which is very much in demand in international market.
Yeah.
Because of its quality, and it is basically, it is you don't need an insecticide on that.
Yes.
So it's a chemical free product, and has good health benefits and nutrients in it. It contains it. So do let me know about your next session, and we'll be get in touch with you for this.
Yeah, sure. The hydroponics we had on 17th of July. Online conference and e-training. And I think next also we are having it. I'll ask my team to connect with you.
Hi, Mr. Dhaval. This is Amit. Yeah, I'd like to tell you about the hydroponics conference. We have arranged a hydroponic conference, like an online thing, training for 3 days on 14th, 15th, and 16th August.
Okay.
And the senior trainer doing it is Mr. Sanjeev Sharma, who has been doing this training since last maybe 15 years. Into different agriculture fields, and now as the hydroponics is upcoming new business line of business in agriculture, so he is a good teacher. We have already done 2 sessions with him, 2 training slots, and now the next one is on 14th. I have already shared the details with Mr. Sapan.
Okay.
So you can check with him. I have WhatsApped him the details.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.